Did you know that China has a history spanning over 5,000 years and is home to the world's largest population? Over 1.4 billion people. Now imagine a land where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with cutting-edge technology, where bustling cities coexist with serene landscapes, and where every meal tells a story. Welcome to China, a country so rich in culture and lifestyle that captivates the world. We are going to dive deep into the vibrant culture and lifestyle of China, exploring its history, customs, social dynamics, cuisine, arts, and modern challenges. From its man-made wonders to the skyscrapers of Shanghai, China is an evolution from millennia of tradition and innovation, hosting some of the best travel destinations in the country. You might be familiar with the bustling streets of Beijing, the ancient wonders of the Great Wall, the serene landscapes of Guilin, the modern cityscape of Shanghai, and there are many more to cover in future videos. But before we get to the other good topics, here's something of concern. Despite its rich heritage and rapid modernization, China faces significant challenges today. The rapid urbanization has led to cultural shifts that sometimes clash with traditional values. Environmental issues are on the rise due to industrial growth, and social disparities are becoming more pronounced. So how does this affect the everyday lives of Chinese people? And how can we simplify for the many travelers the challenges of navigating China's diverse culture, traditions, and lifestyle? Well, let's start with history, which forms the backbone of Chinese culture. With over 5,000 years of recorded history, China boasts a wealth of philosophies. Confucianism emphasizes harmony and respect for hierarchy. Taoism promotes living in harmony with nature, and Buddhism introduces concepts of mindfulness and compassion. Moving on to customs, family remains central in Chinese society. The concept of filial piety, respect for one's parents and ancestors, is deeply ingrained. Festivals like Lunar New Year showcase familial bonds as families gather to celebrate with food and traditions passed down through generations. Family is at the heart of Chinese society. Traditionally patriarchal in structure, families emphasize respect for elders and collective well-being over individual desires. When it comes to cuisine, food is not just sustenance, it's an art form. Regional variations abound, from spicy Sichuan dishes to delicate Cantonese dim sum, shandong, which emphasizes seafood dishes with a focus on freshness, and jiangsu, renowned for its sweet flavors and presentation. And we can't forget about rice. Rice is a staple food in southern regions of China, while wheat-based products like noodles are more common in the north. Meals are often communal affairs where dishes are shared among family members. In terms of arts, China has a rich legacy in literature, music, painting, and calligraphy. Traditional forms like Peking opera captivate audiences with their elaborate costumes and storytelling techniques, while contemporary artists challenge norms through modern mediums. Traditional Chinese paintings often emphasize nature's beauty through landscapes or floral motifs. Martial arts, such as Tai Chi, is a traditional Chinese martial art that has evolved over centuries from its origins in self-defense techniques to a widely practiced form of exercise and meditation. It is characterized by its slow, graceful movements and deep focus on breathing, making it accessible to people of all ages and physical abilities. A good thing to know is how China is dealing with challenges such as environmental degradation due to industrialization and urban expansion affecting rural communities' way of life. A pivotal moment occurs when we consider how younger generations are responding to these challenges. Many young Chinese are becoming advocates for sustainability while embracing technology, using social media platforms to raise awareness about environmental issues or cultural preservation efforts. This fusion represents hope for balancing progress with tradition. Now that sounds like a promising future for China. Here's a surprise treat. Let's take a moment to appreciate the animals that live in China, like the red panda. The Siberian tiger. The Tibetan macaque. The golden snub-nosed monkey. the Chinese giant salamander, Chinese sturgeon, and last but certainly not least, the giant panda. In summary, China's culture and lifestyle are defined by an intricate interplay between history and modernity. While facing significant challenges like urbanization pressures and environmental concerns, the resilience shown by its people offers a glimpse into a future where tradition can harmoniously coexist with innovation. If you found this exploration into China's culture fascinating, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe for more insights into cultures around the globe. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What aspect of Chinese culture intrigues you most? See you in the next video. And as always, thanks for watching.